Sunday the 18th. It's about 6:45 p.m. Been a fairly warm day today, up into the mid 80s. Clutch in. Car's been sitting since the last video on Friday, I think it was. So still in first. So take it out of first, clutch in and out, then first. And there you can see it was very difficult to push into first. Second was very difficult too. Third, I'm pushing. That's where it should normally slip in. It will not go into third. So let the clutch out. See, and now it goes into third. So that's how it should go into third, not what it was happening before. Fifth, and then reverse. It actually went right into reverse there. I'm gonna back down the driveway. I mean, obviously, I don't normally start the car in other gears other than first or reverse, but I do occasionally use second and third to start the car when there's snow out. But the car should slip easily into every gear at a standstill. So back down the driveway, at a stop here, out of reverse into first, and that was very tough. You could hear it. Second, third, it did go in with a click. Fourth, fifth, not easily into those gears, but I at least was able to put it into the gear, but that's not how it's supposed to shift. So pulling back up the driveway now. Stopped in the driveway, take it out, taking the clutch out, clutch back in. There, I barely was able to get it into first. That was probably a good 15-20 pounds worth of pressure. Second, third, fourth, fifth, those are the way those gears should shift. And now reverse, we're locked out of reverse until I've released the brake again and rolled back slightly, then the car went into reverse. Taking clutch out, clutch back in. There's first, you could hear that being difficult going in. There's fourth. See, and now that's a little bit closer to how it should shift. You can see it shifts. That's the way cars should go in and out, not the way it's been doing. Like they're first going right in and out. None of this having to push. So it's definitely hanging up. There's something wrong inside. I'll leave you guys to figure that out. Thank you.